Okay, this is on QCJSON and JSON. QCJSON appears to be, this is one of the few things I could find on it. It says that QCJSON is a JSON string creator and parser implementation for Java. And I found it on, it is available through GitHub, through a yenrab, which through my clever mirroring of words, I figured out that that is Barney backwards. And so I learned that QC stands for Quick Connect, and Brother Barney developed this for JSON. So apparently that's all I could really find on it, is that it's a string implementer, which I'm sure I'll learn later when I use it, because there aren't really many examples on the web. But as far as JSON, I, at work, code quite a bit in JavaScript, and my supervisor prefers jQuery. I do not. But as I was reading on JSON.org, right now this is w3schools.com, JSON.org referred to JSON as more of a, I can't remember what it's called, but it's similar to the C, C++, C# languages, Perl, Python. And I prefer those languages because I view them as simpler. So here's an example on W3Schools. You can use it right inside script, just like you would use JavaScript. You see that we're using JavaScript functions, but right in here, we can use JSON to give us, use the JSON syntax for an array. And so it looks really nice here. You can use the JSON parse the text. It appeared to be comparing it to XML a lot, just the different ways that they behave. And JSON is just quicker, shorter than XML. You don't tag things. So on the previous page of this one, they had an XML example here. Here's your JSON reading into an array with these as your first, second, and third values. Whereas in XML, you can't have an array. So you just have to make several of them with their different values. And it's a lot more words, as we can compare the two there. So yeah, that's what I found. JSON seems like a pretty robust language based on JavaScript. Seems very simple. It says it's readable, which I really like that. That's why I don't really like jQuery, because you have to understand code a little better to know what's going on, whereas JSON, you do not. Yep, thanks.